Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Instant Read Food Thermometer. Our Instant Read Thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2-3 seconds response time. Instructions: meat temperature chart, comes pre-calibrated for your convenience and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use: from BBQ thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, barbecue, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Easy Read digital thermometer for cooking. Large instant thermometer dial with bright blue backlight means you can always read the temperature, whether you are grilling in the dark or baking in your kitchen. Perfect must-have grilling accessory for kitchen essentials. Water resistant. Perfect digital cooking thermometer for meat. Our digital meat thermometer for food of any kind is water resistant, IP66 rated, and can be washed and cleaned under running water. Valentine's Day gifts for him or her. Our meat thermometers for cooking and grilling are delivered in an elegant, foam-lined box, making it the ideal gift for husband or wife. Makes for the perfect food thermometer for cooking. The meat thermometer comes with an additional CR2032 battery in child-safe packaging. Food storage container. Glass food storage containers for everything. Aside from the obvious fact that Joyful by JoyJolt glass meal prep containers are healthier for you and your food, you can also go from freezer to oven without breaking, with a variety of shapes and sizes to fit your purpose. What a joyful idea. 12 airtight food storage containers with lids, includes 4 rectangle containers, 35-aughts, 8x6 in, 21-aughts, 6.75 into 5 in, 12-aughts, 4.2 into 5.5 in, 4 square containers, 26 in, 17.5.2 in, 11-aughts, 4.3 in, 4 round containers, 32-aughts, 6.21-aughts, 5.9, 13.5-aught, 5.2 in. Height ranges from 1.75 to 2.3 inches. All-temp food containers, made from borosilicate glass, aka space shuttle glass. Your containers are robust and love extremes. They're dishwasher safe, oven safe to 1040 degF, and microwave safe containers, not the lids. Both lids and containers are fridge safe and freezer safe to -104 degree Fahrenheit. Airtight containers for fresher food. The airtight silicone seal and secure hinge clips means you can use them for a food container without odors and air getting in or out. They're also leak-proof glass lunch containers, so go ahead and use them as soup containers in your lunch bag without fear. Number 3. Javar Onion Holder. Multifunctional Onion Slicer. Javar Onion Holder Slicer features a unique design with 10 stainless steel forks under the handle, ensuring a comfortable grip and preventing slippage while cutting. It allows for even and precise slicing of onions, tomatoes, lemons, and meats. Versatile kitchen tool. This food slicing helper is not limited to onions. It can be used for various fruits, vegetables, and meats. Its sturdy construction and sharp stitches make it suitable for different cutting tasks. Top Z Small Compact Air Fryer. For 1 to 2 people, 2.1 Q capacity. This small air fryer is perfect for single-serving items like sides, snacks, wings, and more. Up to 98% less oil. Enjoy crispy textures with up to 98% less oil than traditional frying. Compact and portable. Weighing in at less than 5 pounds, this mini air fryer saves space on your counter and in your cabinet. Chefman Obliterator 48-aughts countertop blender. Ice crushing power. This 1380-watt, high-powered blender obliterates anything in its path. Its advanced airflow breaks down ice with ease while staying quiet throughout operation, making it a perfect smoothie blender or crushed ice maker. High blending capacity. With a 48-aughts shatter-resistant Tritan blending jar, the Obliterator has enough space to make shakes and smoothies for everyone. The durable construction even allows for blending hot liquids with the lid cover removed. Cover with a towel to avoid excess splatter. Auto blend. Optimize your blending without any guesswork. The auto blend function analyzes every ingredient added, automatically customizing the blend settings for your ideal consistency every time. It's a professional blender that does the hard work for you. Milk frother. Make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte, you know your tastes best. Note: packaging may vary. Easy to clean and store. The durable, convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Cleanup for this matcha whisk and frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on. Instantly clean. When stored on counter or table, it sits nicely next to other coffee accessories. Our powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries included, with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. Expandable dish rack. Expandable design, large capacity. This dish drying rack extends from 11 inches to 21 inches, nearly doubling its storage. It can hold 10 plates, 12 bowls, 6 glasses, 1 pot, and silverware, keeping your kitchen tidy and organized. Enjoy clutter-free countertops and the convenience of a versatile 2-in-1 design. Automatic drainage system. Keep your countertops dry with our automatic drainage system that funnels excess water directly into the sink. The swivel spout can rotate 360 degrees and can be adjusted to 3 different directions, making it suitable for any kitchen layout. This dish drainer ensures a clean and dry kitchen counter. Magico's storage drawer food chopper. 7 speeds with blue indicators. Finding the perfect setting for your food prep is a breeze with the Magico's 14-cup food processor. With 7-speed options and stylish blue indicators, you can easily choose the right one for your needs. The blue lights aren't just practical, they add a cool touch to the look of the processor. Large feeding chute. Save time and effort with the extra-wide feeding chute. You can drop in medium-sized veggies or cheese blocks without having to cut them down first, making your food prep quicker and easier. Integrated storage drawer. Aroma digital rice cooker. Easy-to-use programmable digital controls, complete with an automatic keep warm mode after each cycle. An array of preset functions for every kind of meal: white rice, brown rice, steam, flash rice, steam meat, vegetables, and more with the provided steam tray, all while rice cooks below. Perfectly prepares 2 to 8 cups of any variety of cooked rice or grains. Sensor logic technology for delicious, fluffy rice and grains every. Bare fast electric pressure cooker. Cook fast. This pressure cooker is designed to make cooking simple, easy, and convenient. Up to 30% faster cooking overall. Ideal for busy individuals and families. Spends less time in the kitchen. Precision cooking. With 10 separate menus cooking such as white/brown rice, porridge/oatmeal, soup/broth, stew/meat, beans/grain, and more, a handy beep while it cooks done. Preset time and keep warm function provide flexible meal planning. Easy to use clean. 15 smart cooking programs are simple to follow, with step-by-step instructions on the large LCD display, and can be customized to fit your favorite recipes.